Good day. My name is Robert Farrell, live from New York City here. We're actually pre-recorded. Hey, if you're doing a Zoom live event, I can assure you in general, you're probably not monetizing and making money with it being smart. So I devised just about less than 2 weeks ago a complete turnkey system that enables you to monetize your next webcast through Zoom, whether it's a webinar or a live event. So take a look at this for a second. So this is just a very simplistic sample site. So here's for a live event. Now, what you can do with my system is really very cool. You could monetize it in a variety of different ways. So as an example, if you look at this, you could do a one-time payment. You could do a 5-package plan, yearly plan. Now these prices are totally 100% up to you. You set the terms, you set the conditions, et cetera, et cetera. But here's what I want you to get really excited about. This is a very important way to grow your live event and monetize it. So watch this. Now I just want to share with you some very basic numbers. Now I'm sure if you're doing Zoom live events, I'm sure you already have a client base, fan base, workout, fitness video base of at least say, I don't know, 50 people. Maybe you have more than that, but let's go with that number. So let me share with you the amazing opportunity. So say you're going to charge $15 for your live event. Oh, stop it right there, Robert. People are starving. People don't have money. Well, that's nonsense. Yes, we're cut down for COVID, but what? People don't have money? Of course they do. People are out of work. Well, some people are out of work. The whole world has savings. So look at this opportunity. So if you were to incentivize your fan base, so let's say you're going to charge $15 for a live event, okay? And let's say you have a base of 50 people. So that is 50 times $15, okay? Now that is $750 for doing a live event. Now you're probably not making $750 now, but wait, it gets better. Here's what I want to share with you, and this is what my software enables you to do that no other software does in relation to Zoom. Yes, you can monetize with PayPal, but you can't package price, you can't pre-promote and get paid right away. So as an example, you can actually market your live event in the next 4 to 6 weeks or 2 to 3 weeks or whatever you want to do, but get paid right today. Have money in your bank for an event that's going to happen. So getting back to the calculator, let's deal with that fan base. So that fan base, audience base, client base of 50 people. Now, what you can do is you can incentivize them to pay them $5. Now, again, this is also up to you. You can incentivize them with $5 for everybody they send you. They're going to pay $15 themselves, and they're going to get $5 back. So basically, they're paying $10. So watch how this works. So if those 50 people in the course of, now, keep in mind, this is not going to happen overnight. This could take, that's why you want to market 4 to 6 weeks in advance, or at least 2 to 4 weeks in advance. That's up to you. So this doesn't happen overnight. But your better fans are going to get more excited, or your better audience members. So if you take those 50 people, and if each person responsible for sending you 3 people to your next event, and again, it takes them 4 to 6 weeks to build up to this. Okay, so that's times 3. That's 150. Now you're paying out the $5. Now you could pay out $2, but I would highly suggest you incentivize them with $5. So you're still making $15. Okay, so now you're making $2,200 for an event. Pretty cool stuff. Now, one other thing, and this is really the exciting part, that the people who your fans invited into your webcast, your Zoom live event, they also have the opportunity, of course, to make $5 for whoever they send, okay? But you can incentivize, and here's what I want you to pay attention to. So let's say one of your biggest fans or one of your biggest audience participations or workout customers, Joe. Joe sends you 5 people. Now, out of those 5 people that Joe sends you, if those 5 people each signed up 3 people, Joe still gets paid. Now, he's not going to make $5, but Joe can make $2 or whatever you want to set your price to be. So if you have a higher priced event, so let's say you charge $25. Oh, that's cuckoo nuts. Is it? Is it? I have plenty of people doing this. Okay? Don't sell yourself short. You've worked hard for your talents, your workout videos, your concerts, your stand-up comedy. Why not get paid for it? People are paying here in New York City upwards of $150 for a Broadway show. Now, granted, this is not a Broadway show, but keep in mind that people are starving for entertainment. They want something, and they will gladly pay for it. But again, let's still deal with that $15 plan. So if you have people that you want to also pay Joe for referring people who refer people. So let's say you're going to reward them with $2, so that's -2. Okay, so now you're stuck with 8. Well, I shouldn't say the word stuck, but now you're making $8. You were making $15, and now you're making 8. Well, geez, Robert, that's not smart business. That doesn't make sense. Well, here's the question for you. Do you want to make $15 off 50 people? Or do you want to make $8 on 200 people, 300 people, 500 people? You get what I'm saying? So let's go back to this again for a second. So let's bring this back to 0. So again, you have 50 people. And out of those 50 people, they were going to recommend 3 people. So 3 times 50 is 150 people. Now, out of those 150 people that your fan base brought in, okay, let's say that those 150 people, again, simple math, also brought in 3 people times 3. So now you're up to 450 people coming to your live event or a concert, whatever you want to call it.